we understand that conveying sticky food products can sometimes be problematic. Food products with high levels of starch and sugar don't always release easily from the conveyor belts they are traveling on. This can result in food loss and wastage, and leave the belts difficult to clean and maintain. The industry's current response to the problem is to use processing aids, such as anti-caking agents, to assist release in the production of the food. However, these additives can change the flavor of the end product, and the additional time and resources it takes to remove them at the end of the process brings the sustainability of the solution into question. Presenting the Cleanline range of food-optimized conveyor belts from Habasit. Through decades of research and experience in the food sector, Habasit has developed a range of belting solutions capable of meeting the rigorous demands of the food industry. Through the use of advanced materials and expertise, food industry professionals no longer have to compromise when it comes to choosing their belting solution. The Cleanline range of belts not only feature excellent release properties, but offer many other benefits that help food processors achieve greater operational efficiency. Optimal cleaning performance is paramount for any conveyor belt system used in food manufacture. However, the surface of traditional thermoplastic-coated conveyor belts can be damaged by the use of aggressive cleaning agents and the high temperatures of water required for rinsing. Micro cracks in the surface can start to form, providing the perfect breeding ground for mold, bacteria, and other microorganisms. Cleanline, however, has superb chemical and hydrolysis resistance, ensuring great performance in up to 80-degree washing cycles. Cross-contamination is another big concern for food industry professionals. Allergens, bacteria, and other microorganisms can form via food residues left on the belt. Traditional belts can also suffer from frayed edges, caused by the belt edge rubbing against other equipment. This can lead to multi-filament buildup around several of the belt's components, which can end up being deposited on food products being conveyed. Cleanline belts feature wear-resistant belt edges, leaving you confident that the dangers of foreign matter contamination are effectively removed. For the transfer of small or fragile products, the space between belts must be as short as possible. In these situations, a nosebar is often used to allow the seamless transfer of products between belts. Thanks to the excellent flexibility of Cleanline belts, installation on a nosebar with a radius as small as 2 millimeters is now possible. The Cleanline range can also be fitted with many accessories to further improve your conveyor belt system. Habasit have developed a TPU scraper bar with flexible tip as the perfect addition to the Cleanline belt system. The TPU scraper is a superior alternative to traditional metal scrapers. The edge is in constant contact and causes no damage to the belt. TPU scrapers also fare better with removing oils, water, and cleaning agents. Habasit also offers a number of TPO fabricated T-shaped cleats and quadrangular-shaped profiles. The cleats feature enhanced stiffness for small bulk goods and offer great release properties. Each are available in various height options. V-guiding profiles can also be installed for product separation as well as a guiding profile on the reverse side. The Habasit Cleanline range helps you achieve maximum operational productivity without compromising food safety. Easy to clean and resistant to cleaning agents, Cleanline complies with all relevant EU and FDA food regulations. Long belt lifetime and reduced impact from hot water or aggressive cleaning agents leads to less maintenance. Improved further with the use of the TPU belt scraper. Reduction or even elimination of additional processing aids means less resource waste and labor costs, resulting in higher yields. Excellent flexibility allows for tight transfers of small food products. Finally, there is no change to the final product quality. Delicate products are left intact after processing and transfer. With Habasit's Cleanline range of conveyor belts, conveying your sticky food products is no longer a problem. Contact your Habasit representative for more information.